Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Aries. Aries people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Aries people, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. So this is your current energy, Aries. And this is your partner's current energy. Okay, Nine of Swords. Aries people, are you guys not feeling happy in life? Are you feeling anxious and sad about certain things? Something is there which is haunting you. Something is there which is not letting you sleep peacefully. Perhaps you are sad. Perhaps you are feeling sorry about something. Something is there. Perhaps somebody has hurt you. Somebody has said something wrong to you. Perhaps your person has ghosted you. Perhaps your person is not talking to you. Perhaps it is perhaps you have broken up with your person. Something is there which is happening with you right now, Aries, and that thing is not letting you sleep peacefully. Okay, so this is your current energy, Aries. Let's see what is your partner's current energy. Eight of Pentacles. It seems like your person is ignoring you. That's why you are feeling anxious and worried. Because your person is working continuously. Your person is working really hard. And it seems like they are deliberately ignoring you. They do not want to see you. They do not want to talk to you. They don't want to talk to you. Okay, they don't want to hear from you. Okay, they are continuously working and working. They are not giving any second thought to talk to you. I don't know, something must have happened between you and them. Let me just clarify what happened between you and them. What happened between you and them? What happened between you and them? Knight of Wands. With this card, what I'm feeling is that perhaps your partner must have, given you some kind of a commitment, or perhaps you must have given some kind of a commitment to your partner that, okay, I'm going to take some action for this relationship and for you, or it could be a vice versa situation. It's you also can commit to your partner that I'm going to take some action towards this relationship and towards you. But the situation is that even though whoever is doing this thing, whoever has committed to each other, that person has given the false hopes to the other person. And with this card, I feel that it's you, Aries. I think it's you who has given them wrong and false hopes that I will do something in this relationship, and right now you have not taken a single step towards them, but you just gave them a picture that, hey, I'm working towards you, towards this relationship. You are just basically making fool out of them. Okay, I'm sorry to say, but I feel that you were the one who gave them the false hopes, and that's why your person is ignoring you. It could also happen for some of you, Aries, that your person must have given you false hopes, because see, this person is continuously working, this person is ignoring you. And perhaps it could happen that they are telling you every single day that, hey, I'll come and meet you, I'll talk to you, we'll discuss about this relationship, we'll see how far we can take this relationship, we'll see how things are going to turn in our favor, we'll see what happens in this relationship. So it could happen for some of you, Aries, that your person must be giving you false hopes. Okay, so this is something which I am feeling with this card, that somebody is giving the false hopes and false assurance to the other person that I will take actions, but they are not doing it, and they are not doing it deliberately. It's not either you and them, it's not that you guys are busy somewhere else, but you are not ready to take actions. All right, now let's see what you think about them, what they think about you, what actions you are going to take towards them, and what actions they can take towards you. Okay, what you think about them, what they think about you, what actions you are going to take towards them, what actions they can take towards you. Okay, so Aries, you see them as somebody who is a very adventure loving person, okay, who wants to explore new things in life, who do not know how of certain things, but eventually they find some solution, they find a way to do that particular task in their life. So you find them as somebody who is always curious and excited to know new things, who is always ready to learn new things. According to you, they are an adventurous person. They want to explore certain, they love to explore new things, new places, new people, new culture and all that. All right, now let's see how your person thinks about you, or how they see you break through. As per your person, Aries, your person sees you as somebody who has gain something in life, okay. Perhaps you are somebody who had been through some tough situations in life, but now you have done your part, okay. You are free from that certain energy, certain emotion. It seems like your person is seeing you as somebody who has achieved something great in life, okay. All right, after a lot of struggles, you have gained it, you have achieved it, you have earned it. Now let's see what actions you are going to take towards them. Flowering, you want to take actions towards them, Aries. With this card, it seems like you genuinely wants to take certain actions, some actions towards them. You genuinely wants to talk to them, you genuinely wants to invest in them. You feel that the moment you guys will be together, that moment is going to be the most happy moment of your life, okay. Everything will turn into harmonious and joyful things. All right, now let's see what actions your partner can take towards you. All right, Aries, it could happen that your person is surrounded by a lot of negative energies. All right, perhaps their own family friends and loved ones must be teasing them that why are you doing a lot of hard work, why are you doing this, why are you doing that. The reason why they are not taking any action towards you, it could happen that perhaps they want to achieve certain amount of money to be with you, okay, to give you the best lifestyle, okay. This could be the one of the reasons that's why this person is ignoring you, because they are completely into their work. So while working really hard towards to earn a lot of money or a lot of fame and a lot of power, this person is going through a lot of negative emotions. But right now what they are doing is they are just focusing on their work, they are just focusing on you, they are just focusing on their mental peace, that I know what I want, I know this person belongs to me, I know I would like to spend my quality time with this person, and for that thing I have to earn certain things in my life. So no matter what people are saying or talking behind my back, I should be completely focused, okay. So yes, see, action, nobody is taking any actions towards them, but yes, I can see that both of you are taking action, I mean whatever actions or whatever support you are giving each other, intentionally or unintentionally, that things matters, that thing matters a lot. All right, now let's see what is going to be the future potential. What's going to be the future potential? What's going to be the future potential? Five of Wands. It seems like I told you that your person is surrounded by a lot of negative energies, a lot of negative emotions. Perhaps people around them are not letting them up, or not letting them achieve certain goals. But still they are fighter, they are warrior, they are someone who knows what is best for them, and that's why they are working really hard for you. So after a lot of struggle, lot of obstructions, lot of negativity, still they are going to make it big for you. Okay, they are definitely going to give you something. All right, what message is for you from angel side? Let's see what angels wants to tell you. Okay, perfect timing. And yes could be that yes, your person is coming towards you. Yes, your person is working really hard for you. Yes, this person is genuinely loves you. Yes, this person really wants to be with you, but you need to wait for the right timing. You need to wait for the perfect timing, because as I can see, as I told you, there must be a lot of obstructions in their life, in their path to to reach to you. But yes, when the time will be perfect, they are definitely going to come and meet you. Okay, some sort of communication will take place, some sort of commitments will take place. All right. Okay, so Aries, it seems like some of you could be dealing with air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in this reading. We have fire sign as well in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and some of you could be dealing with water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, so Aries people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.